Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to install this E12 bulb into a standard E26 socket using this handy socket adapter. This little adapter lets you convert a regular E26 socket to fit a E12 candelabra bulb, perfect for ceiling fans, chandeliers, and other fixtures. Let's get started. First, let's grab a bulb from the box. These are energy-saving E12 bulbs, providing up to 450 lumens, about the same as a 40 to 60 watt incandescent bulb. They turn on instantly with no flicker and are designed to last up to 25,000 hours. Now you just screw the bulb into the adapter and then screw that into the socket. And finally, you plug it in, flip the switch, and let there be light. It's bright, instant, and smooth. No flicker, just clean light. So, if you got an E26 socket but want to use an E12 bulb, this setup is quick, simple, and super effective.